So, how to write the title of your opinion paper, the title of your paper, thesis, or proposal? There are some rules of thumb that I would suggest you follow these rules. First, you need to know that there are two types of titles, descriptive or declarative. Do you know what do I mean with this? If not, let me just briefly explain. Descriptive titles normally tell the reader about the objective of the research. An example of this is effects of additive A on growth in B, for example. On the other hand, we have declarative titles which talk about the results or the conclusion or the main message of the research. Now think about making this descriptive title into a form of declarative title. If I want to make this title in a form of declarative, it would be something like this. Additive A improves growth in B. In this title, you already give the main result of your research to the readers. And the readers could simply see what is the final conclusion of your research in the title. Sometimes, readers are very busy and they just read the title. So make sure that you use a declarative title for your opinion paper or for your paper or for your thesis if you have the results already. But of course, sometimes you write a proposal and in this proposal you still don't know the findings, you don't know the results, and in that case you could use descriptive title. So in general, I'm more in favor of declarative title if you already have the results or findings of your research. So don't make the readers guess or avoid asking questions in the title because they make readers guess about the main conclusion, the main findings. Some people may say that, okay, in that case we make them more interested to read the whole paper if they want to know what is the main conclusion. No, we are not the ones who tell the reader, go and read the whole paper if you want to know what this paper is about. The title should be good, attractive enough on its own to actually make readers go and read the paper. We should not imply and impose that based on the title. Don't be cutesy or clever. We are in the field of academic science and therefore we have to avoid being cute and clever. We just need to talk scientifically. Avoid abbreviation and acronyms. Never use abbreviations in your title because such abbreviations may not be known to people, and when I read the title that has abbreviation and I don't know what is this abbreviation, then it already gives me a negative impression. So avoid that unless it's a very well-known abbreviation such as, you tell me, DNA, for example, which is known for everyone. But if you think that such abbreviation is not known, just avoid using that in your title. Minimize punctuation such as commas and colons. Do not make two separate titles and make them separate by commas and colons. This is not recommended. Now I'm going to talk about some bad title examples, which I hope you also somehow avoid using these bad title examples. We see quite a lot of titles like an investigation of, an exploration of, an assessment of, the impacts of, the effects of. All these words are not necessary because in any research we do exploration, we do investigation, we do assessment, we do measure the impacts of something, we do measure the effects of something. So why would you just write that? Too broad. Teacher education and the construction of the ideal student. Teacher education has many elements. What do you mean exactly? What do you mean by ideal student? In terms of what? So again, it is too broad. Too general. Science education and primary education. First of all, you see that there are two words of education in a total 5 words, and that is not nice. Second, science education. What do you refer to? Are you talking about the chemistry, physics, mathematics, or what? Primary education. What aspect of primary education? So this is too general. Confusing, factors influencing and constituting. So there are two things. Make sure that you actually refer to what you mean exactly. Uninformative, or somehow I would call it a cute title. When what hurts us saves us. If you look at this title, do you even know in which field this title belongs to? Does it refer to human or social science, or does it refer to natural science? Does it refer to physics, chemistry, biotechnology, human nutrition, or what? Or medicine, or what? So again, this is a kind of cute title, and we should avoid using such cute titles. Just talk scientifically. Problematic, employability of doctoral researchers, a review of the literature. First of all, you see that this is two separate titles, and as I said, it's good to avoid such titles. Second of all, which doctoral researchers are being mentioned exactly? Is it the doctoral researchers of all the world, or one country, or one region, or what? Again, there is some problem here in this title.